guys, so we are back with another hair cutting video as some people have requested, and I finally talked this guy into getting his haircut shorter. I'm super happy because it's getting a little too shaggy for my liking. So he has told me I can do whatever I want, so I'm excited. So let's get started. I have decided that we are going to go shorter. We're going to go up to at least here with a clipper. So I went ahead, not sure exactly how short I'm going to end up, but for now I went ahead and I put on 3/8 of an inch. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cut it up to there with the clipper. That was a 3/8. I'm going to go back and clean it up later around the edges. But for now I'm going to go ahead and wet this down. Got my conditioner water like usual. And if you were doing this for yourself for the first time, you could also go ahead and part the hair and clip it up if you felt more comfortable doing that. Once you have it thoroughly wet, we're going to go ahead and we're going to decide how much you want to cut off. You're going to take that as your guide. So pull the hair up and cut all that off. I'm going to go ahead and point cut in. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got some length out, but I decided I'm going to go ahead and just go shorter. Hey, he told me to do whatever I wanted, so why not? So I'm going to go ahead, put the clipper on. I'm going to try a 1/2 inch, see what I think. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and blend back with that 3/8 a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and just point cut it, kind of let it fall. I'm just gonna clean up the back a little bit with a 1/8 inch. Now we're just gonna clean up around his ears. All right, guys, so the moment of truth, he's gonna look at it and see if he loves it or hates it. What does that look?
It's whatever, just my old usual pretty much.
I just gave him a longer version. The hard part with his hair is he has very fine hair, and it does pretty much only a few things. I might play with it some other time, but I was just getting so tired of that longness, so we just went back to a kind of longer version, kind of faded it in, and I'm so happy that it's not long and shaggy anymore. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we will catch you next time when I'm just bored again and make another video.